annual puppet show. If you haven't been here before, we call it Swarm Productions. It's a tradition that started even before this house. Our performers tonight are going to be Jess Levy, Susanna Gilbertson, and Mike Frohlicher in the back. And I want to thank Nico Lang for helping make the puppets that you're going to see, David Reese for helping with the music, and all of you for being here. Thank you. So round of applause to all of us for being here today. Without further ado, I also want to let you know that Zora, for the kids, Zora's going to be doing a little thing afterwards, but for the kids. So Zora, you can chill while we're performing, okay? And then you'll do yours later, okay? Okay. All right, great. So enjoy, and we'll see you after the show.
You're having You come to a party, so you're having fun down below. Then upstairs to this puppet show, and now you're here to stay. We hope you went to the loo. This show's more than a haiku, cause it's the year in review, and now you're here to stay. Did you come here on your bike? You're looking good tonight. Those jeans out of sight. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, we just met you, and this is crazy. We're glad you're here now in West Philly. Hey, we just met you, and this is crazy. We're glad you're here now in West Philly. Last year the show was a song, nice but went a bit long. This was probably wrong, but now you're here to stay. We hope you like Annie, and if not, at least it's free. And congrats to Chris and Janine, who are get married. Hey, we just met you, and this is crazy. We're glad you're here now in West Philly. Hey, we just met you, and this is crazy. We're glad you're here now in West Philly. Oh, Annie, I had the craziest dream, Annie. I dreamt that my parents had come back to the orphanage to pick me up and take me home.
Oh, Molly, that may be true. That may happen. You can't give up hope.
Really? But I had another dream where this guy took a balloon miles into space and then jumped out of the balloon, plummeted to Earth. And I had another dream where some other guy walked a mile across Niagara Falls on a thin wire. It was crazy. It was crazy.
But those weren't dreams, Molly. Those things really happened.
What? But wait a minute. I had another dream that the world was going to end next weekend on December 21st. That's not true. Is that going to happen? Oh no. Shh, wait, who's that? I think I hear Miss Hannigan coming. Run!
Yes, Governor. I know it's been a really hard year for you. Yes, I know. Well, I'm sure it's not easy laying off teachers and cutting benefits and healthcare and eliminating general assistance and not repairing our bridges and roads and making it harder for seniors to vote and letting gas companies pollute our water. Oh, anything I can do to help. What? You want me to privatize the orphanage? You want me to make the kids work for their rent and board? But Governor, what do you want them to make? Jobs aren't as easy to come as they once were. Oh? You want them to make drones? Oh. Great idea, Governor.
Drones.
Great. Bye-bye.
costume change.
Yeah, right, little animation.
For us.
It's the hard knock life for us. Instead of helping, we get cuts. Instead of bootstraps, we get chucked. It's the hard knock life.
Billy's closing our school, so
It's the hard knock row. We ho! Unemployment,
instead of work,
empty bellies.
instead of fun,
It's a hard knock life.
Don't it feel like the road is full of potholes? Don't it seem like Harrisburg ain't right? Once a day, don't you want to throw the towel in? It's easier than putting up a fight.
No one's there when your teachers get the pink slip. No one cares if they eliminate GA. No one stares when the ER is your health care. With all the cutting, we could make a huge snowflake. It's a hard knock life.
Welcome to our little orphanage, Mr. Romney Warbucks. How can we help you?
Well, last month, Miss Hannigan, as you know, I had a bit of a setback. As you may have heard, so I'm looking to revamp my image a little bit by inviting an orphan to stay with me. You know, the media love orphans.
Oh, certainly. Are you looking for something? I mean, someone? Someone in particular?
Well, you know, I think I'd like someone a little Latino looking, but not too Latino looking, and someone a little female, but not too female. And I'd like someone poor, but not too poor, not too 47% or anything like that. You know, not somebody looking for gifts or anything.
Well, Mr. Romney Warbucks, what are you looking for?
I don't know. Do you have any binders full of orphans I might have look through?
No, I'm afraid we don't have anything quite like that.
Well, what about her? She looks about right.
Annie? I don't think you want Annie. She's a bit of a troublemaker.
Nonsense. That's exactly what I want. I want Annie.
Well, good riddance.
Annie, you're going to be coming with me to one of my houses.
Oh, boy.
Let's go now.
Oh! Where are we going?
Well,
Will I like it?
oh, I think you'll like it plenty. I own lots of pretty ponies of the dressage variety. Oh, look, there's a gaggle of independent voters over there. Oh, stand up, Annie. I want to show them off to you. Show you off to them. Get a little closer, driver. A little closer to those women. Voters, look at me. I've got it. A little bit closer, please. A little closer. A little closer. A little. Oh no! We've grounded ourselves. Oh dear. We better get out of here. Let's get out of here. You're coming with me, Annie. Well, Annie, welcome to my house here. I'm afraid you're going to have to stay in this cage. I'm afraid it's for your very own good, I'm afraid, yeah.
Mr. Romney Warbucks, if I were 10 years older, I would never have voted for you. You're a mean man.
You would never have voted for me? Well, who would you have voted for? President Obama? What has he done for children lately?
Sure, he's been lacking. I mean, but maybe he'll be better in the next term. Maybe he'll live up to our expectations. Maybe in your second term, real change will be your fight.
She's talking
You'll
to a
do
chair.
some things that we care for, like climate change and women's rights. Maybe fight for others. Maybe a real fight, not a cave. You'll fight for gun control.
Yeah.
And no one will be a wage slave. Bet you'll be strong. Bet that you'll grin. Bet you'll collect things like legislative wins. Bet you'll be good. Why shouldn't you be? Your first term mistake was giving up on me. Oh.
Annie, it's me.
Katniss Everdeen?
Yes, it's Katniss Everdeen. That's from the Hunger Games.
Thank you.
Katniss, Annie, the orphans need you. Miss Hannigan is going to privatize the orphanage and force all the children to work.
Work? What kind of work? Like, making Twinkies?
Oh, I'm afraid they're long, long gone, Twinkies, and they're not coming back. No, it's much worse than Twinkies. She wants everybody to make drones. Let's get out of here.
Drones? Wow. Thanks, Katniss.
Wait, let's get out. Let's go that way.
Okay.
Wait a second. What is that I see over there?
What? Where?
It's terrible. It's horrible. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience over there that's going to ravage the East Coast.
I don't see
It's
anything.
rainy. It's stormy. It's terrible. It's...
Oh, it's just Sandy.
What? Wait a minute. Wait, where did Annie go? She's escaped. Drat you, Cage. Drat you, Cage, in the event of legitimate escape attempts, this Cage is supposed to shut that whole thing down.
Oh gosh.
Shameless.
Okay, girls. No more singing, no more playing. It's time to get to work. The governor of this Commonwealth has ordered us to stop providing you orphans with free room and board. He has said that you need to get some skin in the game. So from now on, you're going to be doing some work, some very hard work.
But Miss Hannigan, we're only 8 years old.
Skin in the game, girls! Skin in the game! Not so fast, Miss Hannigan. We're not going to be part of your orphan industrial complex.
I want to hold it.
Little orphan Annie, I thought you were with Romney Warbucks. And your friend, Bella?
No, not Bella, Ms. Hannigan. That's the other young adult book series turned multi-sequel film episode, not like Twilight, but Hunger Games. Okay. No, it's Katniss.
We're not going to let you privatize our orphanage and force us kids to make drones. Get her!
Ah, yeah, get her! Get her!
That's the solution.
I like that solution. Simple.
Wait, do you think it's really in my power to stop this orphanage from becoming a drone factory? I'm just trying to keep my job. They'll hire someone else to oversee you. You need to talk to the governor.
The governor? Oh, wait.
We got it.
Katniss, where are you? Katniss, just when I needed you.
Wait, coming.
Come on, Katniss.
Coming. Sorry. There we go. Oh, you know, she's got a point.
Yeah, but what could we say to the governor? I mean, he won't listen to us. And really, we probably need to talk to the president anyway. Isn't he the one who puts his stamp of approval on the drone?
Ah, yes, we should talk to the governor. But how do we get how do we get the president to listen to us?
I got it. The whole reason they want us to work is because of money, right?
Sure.
Well, let's hit them where it hurts. Who's one of the biggest consumer markets?
Biggest consumer markets. Ah, it's gotta be fans of Gangnam Style.
Okay, right, but besides that,
Besides Gangnam Style, I don't know.
it's kids! What if we got all the kids in the United States to stop buying toys and to make sure their parents didn't buy any toys? They think there's a war on Christmas, but they ain't seen nothing yet. We can do a nationwide boycott.
Yes, okay. I just have to send out my District 12 signal, and kids all over the country will know what to do.
Cool. Kids, united.
We'll
We'll be defeated. Kids united will never be defeated. Kids united will never be defeated. Ring,
It's a
ring,
Lincoln
ring.
log.
Hello? Mr. President? Oh, no drones? And food for everyone?
Yeah.
Great. That was easy. Oh, thank you, Mr. President, but no, there's no way we're going to go to bed after just one story. Sorry. Well, I think this is the beginning of a long fight, but we're bound to see a lot more of Miss Hannigan's shenanigans. Luckily, we have help. You were waiting for it, right?
Yes. Yes, you got it.
The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun.
Just thinking about the next year. We'll keep working hard till beat the sorrow, till there's none. Reform of immigration, healthcare implementation, and fair taxation.
Just need the tools to fix our schools, and we'll say, oh,
The sun will come out tomorrow.
just keep
Organizing till tomorrow. Come what may.
Tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, you're always a